Mercedes-AMG has just changed the game when it comes to ultra-high performance because of this, the Axial Flux Motor.
Mercedes-Benz has just sent shockwaves through the automotive world with the official launch of the revolutionary YASA Flux engine. This Axial Flux electric motor, developed in secrecy for years, represents a major leap forward in EV technology. While rumors had been circulating that Mercedes was working on something groundbreaking, few could have predicted a breakthrough of this scale. The YASA Flux engine isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of how electric motors are designed and integrated into vehicles. Its lightweight, compact structure and extraordinary power density put serious pressure on rivals like Tesla, BYD, and Toyota, positioning Mercedes as a true leader in next-generation EV innovation. The story of this revolutionary motor began with a bold move by Mercedes to re-engineer electric vehicle performance from the ground up. While Tesla was capturing headlines for its software, battery range, and charging infrastructure, Mercedes quietly focused on reinventing the very heart of EVs, the motor itself. In 2021, Mercedes acquired YASA Motors, a British engineering startup specializing in axial flux technology. YASA had already developed prototype motors that were dramatically different from the conventional radial flux motors found in most EVs. Recognizing the potential, Mercedes invested heavily in R&D, transforming a promising concept into a production-ready marvel. So, what makes the YASA Flux engine stand out? Traditional radial motors are bulky and cylindrical, often relying on heavy components to produce high torque. In contrast, the Axial Flux motor is shaped more like a flat disc, which makes it significantly lighter, smaller, and more efficient. By reworking the motor's geometry, engineers were able to double down on performance, achieving greater torque while cutting the motor's size and weight nearly in half. This means EVs equipped with the YASA motor can accelerate faster and consume less energy, all while maintaining top-tier performance. Mercedes claims this breakthrough could extend vehicle range by up to 30% without needing a bigger battery, a massive improvement in a market where range anxiety remains a key barrier to adoption. Another huge advantage is energy efficiency. Traditional motors generate considerable heat, requiring complex and heavy cooling systems that sap efficiency. But axial flux motors are far better at dissipating heat, up to 10 times more effective, meaning they stay cooler, run harder, and last longer. This sets off a ripple effect. With better cooling comes smaller cooling systems, leading to lighter vehicles, lower costs, and improved efficiency. It's a virtuous cycle. Size down, weight down, cost down, efficiency up. Thanks to better heat management and optimized magnetic flux, a larger share of battery energy is converted into usable power, enhancing acceleration, range, and long-term cost-effectiveness. The motor's compact, flat design also opens up exciting possibilities for vehicle architecture. Designers now have more flexibility to optimize cabin space or improve aerodynamics, unlocking entirely new approaches to how EVs are built. Mercedes' strategic approach to this innovation is just as impressive as the technology itself. Unlike Tesla, which often announces ambitious products long before they're production ready, Mercedes followed a more disciplined, engineering-first strategy. The YASA team worked behind closed doors for years, refining prototypes, conducting real-world tests, and ensuring scalability for mass production. By the time the motor was unveiled, it was no longer an idea. It was a fully validated, commercially viable system. This approach strengthens Mercedes' reputation for precision engineering and sends a clear message. The brand remains deeply committed to practical, reliable innovation. The impact is already reverberating across the auto industry. Tesla, long seen as the EV performance leader, now faces a new kind of competition. While Tesla still dominates in areas like software, batteries, and charging networks, Mercedes has shifted the spotlight back to motor innovation. Analysts are predicting that other automakers may now be forced to fast-track their own motor development programs to stay competitive. Chinese EV giant BYD, known for its blade battery tech and large-scale production, is also under pressure. If Mercedes can pair the YASA Flux motor with next-gen batteries and efficient supply chains, it could seriously challenge BYD's dominance, especially in markets like Europe and North America. Meanwhile, Toyota, which has prioritized hybrid and hydrogen fuel technologies, may need to reevaluate its EV strategy. The performance and scalability of the YASA Flux engine could further accelerate the shift toward pure electric vehicles, leaving traditional alternatives behind. But the implications of this technology go far beyond just company rivalries. A smaller, more efficient motor means lower production costs, which translates to more affordable EVs for everyday drivers. That accessibility could dramatically speed up the global move away from internal combustion engines. In short, Mercedes has done more than just build a better motor. They've reshaped the future of electric mobility. Additionally, the improved efficiency of the YASA Flux engine reduces the need for oversized battery packs. This not only brings down production costs, but also eases the demand for critical raw materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. As a result, it could transform global supply chains and help address the environmental concerns associated with large-scale battery manufacturing. For consumers, the YASA Flux engine promises a truly next-level driving experience. Instant torque and smooth acceleration have always been key features of electric vehicles, but this motor raises the bar even higher. Drivers can expect sports car-like performance without sacrificing comfort, practicality, or range. And thanks to its compact size, the motor allows for more creative vehicle designs, such as roomier interiors or sleek aerodynamic shapes that further improve efficiency. Early adopters of vehicles equipped with the YASA Flux engine will be stepping into the future of mobility. They'll enjoy cutting-edge engineering that until now was usually only seen in concept cars or prototypes. Mercedes-Benz plans to debut this motor in its high-performance models, like those in the AMG EQ lineup, where customers expect nothing short of the most advanced technology available. But this innovation isn't just for luxury performance vehicles. Mercedes' long-term vision is to scale production and eventually bring this breakthrough to mid-range and even entry-level electric cars. As manufacturing costs fall and economies of scale are realized, the YASA Flux motor could become a standard feature across the entire Mercedes-Benz EV lineup. Just as features like ABS brakes, airbags, and infotainment systems eventually became standard across all vehicle classes, this motor could redefine what drivers expect from electric performance and efficiency. Ultimately, this isn't just a technical milestone. It's a bold statement about the future of mobility. Mercedes-Benz is showing that leadership in the EV space won't be won by simply building the largest batteries or the fastest charging networks. Instead, the true winners will be those who can deliver a fully integrated, highly efficient system from end to end. The YASA Flux engine marks a significant shift in thinking about how electric vehicles are built. It proves that smaller, lighter, and smarter designs can achieve extraordinary results. For Tesla, BYD, Toyota, and every other player in the EV game, this is a major wake-up call. The electric revolution is evolving, and motor design is now just as critical as battery technology. For consumers, this means electric cars will continue to become faster, more affordable, and more reliable, making EV ownership an increasingly attractive and accessible option. Mercedes hasn't just joined the EV race, it's rewriting the rulebook. With the YASA Flux engine, Mercedes-Benz isn't simply participating in the electric vehicle revolution. It's leading it, setting a new global benchmark for innovation, sustainability, and performance that's bound to shape the industry for years to come. Please subscribe to the Time Fold channel, and don't forget to like the video.